Shit, trill is a bitch in the city. City hit harder and worse than the beach. I don't give a fuck. Nobody say this bitch, man. It's terrible out here. Damn. Talk about trees through houses and roofs and shit. Hell, I'm thankful for shit. You know what I'm saying? Nigga crib ain't get fucked. I had a little water damage, but shit, not nothing. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no limb or nothing. A few shingles came out, but boy, these, man, I'm talking about, man, these spots down here, man, look here. They got tore off. They got tore out the frame. They got tore out the frame. Shit trill. Shit trill. I just wish y'all just see how the shit looked before. You know what I'm saying? Then you see how it look after. Damn, they house gone, over with. Damn, what that is though. That shit all over with. I see that though. Man, power line hanging in the middle of the road. You gotta swerve and swerve left, swerve right. You ain't never had shit. Fuck it. Swerve on them. Man, I'm talking about this shit crazy. Look like this motherfucker hit today. Shit, I'm talking about, man, hey, shit moving slow as the fuck. Hey, the cleanup crews and all that shit moving slow. I mean, I ain't complaining because I understand, but it's just like, boy, no water and shit. No motherfucking power, no internet, no motherfucking, hey, shit trill. Nigga balls over this bitch stinking in the motherfucker. I got these mustard nuts right now. Alright, traffic back moving now. Y'all see? Motherfucking shit getting fucked off. Oh, that trill's a bitch. Damn near everything on this side got damaged. They motherfucking roof right there on the front, hanging down. That shit crazy. Damn, that shit sunk all in too.
Oh, this shit's gone.
Damn, I think I was locked over that nigga though. Tree split in half right there. Man, I'm talking about it just, man, it trees just fell everywhere. You got lucky if they ain't hit your shit, but shit, most of them, they hit something. Like, them motherfuckers were aiming to hit someone, they fell. Damn. Like I said, man, Panama City, yeah, they got tore off. They got tore off. I'm finna go down another strip. I'll get back with y'all. Damn. Man, back at it, y'all, man. I'm talking about this shit just so crazy. I'm talking about shit got demolished out this bitch. Look like a motherfucking giant came out that bitch and just started snatching roofs off or some shit. Man, retarded, retarded. Damn. Nigga so tired of riding over them damn power lines, boy. Shh, nigga, I'm finna go. You got the goddamn Bogart out here with the traffic too. Like, man, it's, man, gas station shit. I'm talking gas stations lined up, man, around the road, around the corner and shit. Motherfuckers get gas. Man, U-Haul trucks flipped over. Man, this shit was trill. When I say trill, I'm talking about trill. Damn. Oh, damn, that's the little tent play, little TK. Over with. Damn, all them little shits got smashed to smithereens. Man. Just trees is down everywhere, trees down everywhere. I thought I saw them down bars again. I was like, let me put that bit down. Man. Man, shit, I'm glad I don't live in the motherfucking goddamn this part of town. Lord have mercy. Damn, that motherfucking church, damn, motherfucking truck came right when that motherfucking tower was off of that church. Man. Woo! Man, y'all see motherfucking Bruce got demolished out this bitch. Now that motherfucking gas station tore down. Nigga, one gas station nigga just passed. That motherfucking roof was off, but hey, they still open and that bitch say they gonna serve. You hear me? Man, that shit tore off. Shit. Man, I'm about to say, oh man, you better, hey, man, hold up now. I might have to goddamn put this camera down, goddamn get ignorant out this bitch. Man, shit just tore off. Tore off. Shit, dealership look like that motherfucker ain't even get touched. Hey, we Gucci. Tore off. Tore off. Tore off. Man, tore off. I got the generator on deck, got gas cans, man, got gas on deck, and they got, you know what I'm saying? Hey, goddamn me. I remember Katrina, you hear me? Goddamn me, I know how to make shit shake, goddamn me. I know what you need. Nigga feel like he a hurricane pro now, shit. Man, you hear me? Bam. Shit crazy. Motherfucker. Man, that nigga trailer goddamn motherfucker, real motherfucking claw goddamn me. Shit. Alright, shit, I ain't comfortable about this motherfucker. We getting to the kind of too motherfucking far now, shit. We getting too motherfucking, damn. So that shit fucked off. Y'all see motherfucking laws, everyone motherfucking laws is not playing. So they ain't playing not one bit. One bit, nigga, you gotta put that bitch down. You gotta put that bitch down, you hear me? I ain't trying to get pulled over, no shit. That bitch wore off. Damn. Ooh. This motherfucker almost got down me. He got his ass knocked out by the damn fire truck. Trying to get over in the right lane, nigga. Man. Hey, y'all, I gotta go again, cause that too been long. The motherfucking building right there got fucked off too. Shit, I couldn't even tell you what the hell that was right there. That bitch just rubble. That mother got tore off. But like I said, y'all, when I'm talking them laws, man, them laws is out here, you hear me? They is deep. Man, go, bruh. Shit, I wanna let both of y'all go, goddamn me. Shit. Damn. What the fuck? Well, I don't even know what the fuck that was either. That bitch over with, though. Oh, damn, I ain't even see that shit. Oh, damn. Man, like I gotta keep my head on the swivel because so many laws and shit. I'm trying to show y'all all I can, shit. Man, I'm gonna fuck around, just shut up and just let y'all watch. But shit. Okay, look, that law right there posted up on the side, ain't it? Yeah, let me go and cut this off. I'm talking about shit fucked up. Goddamn laws again, god damn it. These motherfuckers ain't playing. Oh yeah, y'all just motherfuckers out there be looting and shit. Matter of fact, when I passed that little gas station back to that shit, they were towed down, the nigga was riding out with the damn cups and shit from him. Like, it's trill. Trill out there, bitch. Trill in the motherfucking field. They just hit them a lick, rolling out with them some goddamn me. They're like, shit. Damn thugs. They see the black folk calling thugs, see the white folks, oh, they're surviving, man. Fuck all that. Just get it how you live out there, bitch. Just get it how you live. Man, I was about to say, you let too many motherfuckers buy, bro. Oh, shit. I gotta get the fuck over. Damn, more motherfucking laws. Damn, that motherfucker, damn, I should have caught that motherfucking tree on the left side was just bent over like a mother, man. Shit, I ain't gonna lie, I don't even come through the city part like that much. So I can't really tell y'all necessarily what shit was. Damn, that man, motherfucking roof peeled back on that bitch. Gave that bitch to Pee Wee Herman. Fuck. Man, I'll be back with recording once this damn traffic slow down. I mean, yeah, speed up, shit.